Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fingerboard Friday. I'm Jocko, your host, and today we have some Zoo Krews sent to us for the Shawty board that we got by Sorry. I'm super stoked for this, so let's get right into it. So let me tell you a little bit about Zoo Krew, what it says on its packaging, no less. It says, these trucks are only distributed by Zoo Krew and many others. These are the industry's new China standard. No more 29mm with spacers. These are it. We at the Zoo Krew remain the largest stock and the most custom option available in the scene of fingerboarding. And he also has a Big Cartel website. You can check him out there. His Instagram is _Zoo Krew. And he wants you guys to win the war, join the army, the Zoo Krew army, the ZK army. So we thank everyone greatly for the love and support. Thank you, Zoo Krew. These ZRTs, Zoo Krew replica trucks, are really great, and the Venture series that I have are really sick, so I'm really pumped on them. Can't wait to put them on. Let's go ahead and get into it right now. Alright, here you have Zoo Krews. White on white with the black base plate, boy! Man, this setup looks good with the red accents. I don't think I could have planned this any better. And I didn't plan this, to be honest with you. Venture series, dude. Sorry, Shawty board. Let's take it for a rip. Nice. Let's call out the tricks. Backside flip. Frontside heel. Heel flip. Nollie kick with the steez catch. Yeah, that was super fun. That's another one for you. Let go of that leg. This is just a dance. I liked it. Nollie tray. Big flip. Nollie tray again. Hard flip. Laser in the temp. Steezy front three. Shove it, dude. So sick. Pop shove it. And nollie half cab flip. That's an inward heel. If that's not an inward heel, hit me up. Let me know if that's a pressure flip or inward heel. I totally call it an inward heel. Those were frontside flips. Alright, well, immediately I realized and noticed the difference from Tech Deck trucks to these Zoo Krews. There is just a little bit more weight, pushing that board a little bit over the edge and into that sweet spot of fingerboarding that we all love. So the Tech Decks, they weren't really responding the way I wanted them to. And once I switched to these Zoo Krews with all the tuning, pivot bushings, O-rings, reverse kingpin, and just that extra bit of weight on the hanger, just made all the tricks that much better, that much easier, that much more responsive of a board. And these aren't even sticky, grippy wheels, even though they are Winkler classics. They're not that grippy to the table. So to get this much response out of a fingerboard, I'm super stoked. For $12, these Zoo Krew trucks are absolutely amazing, I'll tell you. So yeah, would I recommend Zoo Krew? Yes, I would recommend Zoo Krew. To someone who needs to come in at a price point that meets China trucks, Zoo Krew. If you don't got money and you're tech decking it up and you're ready to step up, get you some Zoo Krews. But if you do have extra cash, I would still recommend BRTs, Black River trucks. I haven't tried Y trucks, but I heard they're good. Yellowwood trucks. Dynamic FB, also another really good. But I want to bring to attention this grass square that I have. It's freaking sick, dude. I had such a good time that night just gapping it, and then once I went and put a freaking rail over it, oh, it was a wrap. Woohoo! Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Damn, that was fucking first try, dude. First try. Damn. These Zoo Krews are fucking holding up. This reel is not an easy reel. Fuck, ability. Tenfold, dude. Alright, well, it's super late. I'm super tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In conclusion, the Zoo Krews, super good alternative. Instantly felt better. I really think it pushed this board to the next level. That was my video. Zoo Krew put on this board is an instant upgrade. It adds weight, which really stabilizes the skateboard. So, and I'm still lucky enough to have my little Winkler. So we're really thankful to have this setup. Just these trucks alone has made this board like that much more skatable. Well, that has been it for the video. This is the Zoo Krews. Alright, well, that has been it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'm Jocko Steez, and this is Jocko Moto channel. If you're watching this on IG, be sure to comment down below if you have Zoo Krews. Hashtag Zoo Krew. Be sure to comment down below if you guys have Zoo Krews yourself. In the comments, go down there, write Zoo Krew, the Zoo Krew. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Jocko Steez. This is Fingerboard Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for enjoying. And thank you guys for subscribing. See you in the next one. Peace.